Mr. Revolver Guy with DayAtTheRange.com. We're back on the range today with some Norma TAC22. I'm going to shoot 10 rounds downrange on target. You guys have seen this test before, but this time we have some that have been lubed with, some 22 that have been lubed with silicone grease, and then some straight out of the box. And the first 10 shots are going to be top left target, non-lube. The second 10 shots going to be top right target, lubed. We're going to feed them all with a single load magazine. CZ455 non-lube. That's pretty good. TAC USA 22 ammo. Now we're going to move to the lubed with silicone grease ammo. I'm glad I didn't waste my time lubing up too much of that ammo. Definitely doesn't seem to make a difference, or at least the CZ455 doesn't like it. That's a quick range test for the day. Stay tuned for more 22 ammunition tests out of the CZ455, DayAtTheRange.com.